Showing you how to change the plate in a Chevy Silverado, about a 93, 94. I've already taken the 2 screws out. Of course, you got to drop your tailgate. Slide it forward. Now be gentle because you don't want to break your wires. Go ahead and take that loose. And there's that part. I've already got my tools ready. Sometimes these plates go bad because water can get in these conductors. And then sometimes it's just as simple as changing a bulb. This is all there is to it. Just take that plate off right there. Get you a new plate. Put it on. You're done. Now if you mess with the bulbs, you need a rubber glove because you will blow the bulbs. If you do it barehanded, I can guarantee you, you'll be changing your bulbs pretty soon. That's how you do this job. See you on the next one.